Okay, for our plenary today, this is what we're going to be looking at tomorrow. We've looked at multiplication, then we've looked at multiplication word problems. So tomorrow we're going to be looking at division. And then obviously after that we're going to be looking at division word problems. So very similar layout to our multiplication day. So we've got how many counters we've got there. What numbers sentences could go or could you write with this array? Alright, so I want you to think about how many counters there are. Can you notice what groups they're in? So what division number sentences can you say? Okay, focus on division now. Remember where the biggest number goes with division? Have a go at that answer now, pause the video. Right, so we've got 10 counters in all. If we looked at it horizontally, we've got 5 in one group, 5 in another. So we've got 2 groups of 5. So that would be 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And then we've also, if we looked at it vertically, we've got 5 groups of 2. So just a reminder that when dividing, the biggest number is the total amount that you've got. So if you had 26 weeks, you would be starting your division sentence with the biggest number, 20, or in this case 10. This is groups of, so 10 into groups of 5. So if we did that, would equal 2. And then 10 into groups of 2 would get 5 of them. 1, 2, 3,